Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to explain you one of the important Java interview question: how to read a file in Java using buffer reader. Before looking at the program, let's see the definition for a buffer reader. The buffer reader class, it's a class actually, Java class, provides a buffering to your readers. Buffering can speed up the IO operation quite a bit. Actually buffering reduces the IO operation between your program and the hard disk access. Rather than reading one character at a time from the network or the hard disk, you can read a large block at a time. This is typically much faster, especially for disk access and larger data amounts. So instead of talking to the hard disk for each byte, instead of doing that, you can read a large block. It will save you time, and it's actually speaking the reading of hard disk, reading from the hard disk. It's a costly operation and we don't want to do it frequently. The main difference between buffer reader and buffered input stream is that the readers works on characters. Whenever we use stream, that means it is reading the raw bytes. I can give you an example: reading an image from the hard disk. A buffer reader is high level reader. It cannot connect directly to a file or input stream. So it's like a wrapper class. I would say it's a wrapper class. It internally uses file reader, and from the file reader the byte array is given to the buffer reader and it reads a string. It is used to make more efficient use of low level readers because they only read in bytes and characters, whereas buffer reader can read strings with readline method. There is a method called readline method in buffer reader. It can read a string from the file. The buffer readline method, which is inside buffer reader, a method used to read characters from input stream and put them in the string in one go, not byte by byte. The only problem we are having with the other read API is they will read byte by byte, but here it will read a string, complete string. This method will read a string, so that we are reducing the read operation from the hard disk. Buffer reader is synchronized, so read operations on buffer reader can safely be done from multiple threads. So it's a synchronized, so it has synchronized method, so it's safe for multiple threads. Let's see an example. I have a file called file_demo in this path. So I have a buffer reader. Inside that, I told you that buffer reader cannot directly access a method. We need another API. From file reader, buffer reader will read the lines. So we have created a new buffer reader. This is the object we have, and we are using inside the while loop. So we are reading this br dot read line. There's an API which is inside the buffer reader class, and current line we got, and we are printing it out. So we have exceptions, and when finally we are closing the buffer reader. This is the proper way of releasing the resources that you have used. Let's debug and check how exactly it is working. So I have put the breakpoint here, so I'm going to read the file. It reads a line. First line it read, and it is printing like this, the second line and the third line. So it is closing the buffer reader. This is how it works. So instead of using the reader directly, you can use buffer reader, which will it will increase the performance in your Java application. Hope this video is useful for a Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like and subscribe button. Thank you and all the best.